hubboard connection poster LED display features a wireless connection design, simplifies the structure. With a magnetic design, the display is easy to assemble and disassemble, making installation and maintenance more efficient, designed for indoor use. The structure is light and ultra-thin, allowing for fast and convenient installation and transportation. Each single display measures 640 by 1920 mm and can be used independently or seamlessly combined with multiple units to form a larger LED screen. The die-casting aluminum cabinet ensures high strength and a premium appearance, making it suitable for various advertising and promotional applications.